Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Love with Food, and this is their tasting unboxing. And I waited to do this until Jackson came home because he loves to be in the videos and you guys love seeing him. So he's gonna help me go through this. So the card inside says clean and bright. And there's a coupon code for their store, it looks like. All right, Jackson. Ooh, I love seaweed snacks. I have never tried the sriracha kind though, but I'm betting that's gonna be really good. I see something you might like, but go ahead and pick something out. We'll look at it. Bobo's Oat Bites. This is a peanut butter chocolate chip.
Oh, I see. Pea crisps.
Yeah.
Are those the kind of oats?
It's a different flavor, but we'll see. This looks really good. Little oat bar. Okay, so next we have peanut butter powder, vegan, gluten-free, protein.
Oh, these are the same kind I eat.
This is black pepper kind. So he loves these, and I pack them with his sandwiches, just like I think it says lightly salted. Instead of chips, I give those to him. But this is black pepper. I'm not sure if he's going to like that flavor, but I've had it, and I really like it. And these are really good if you haven't tried them. I love vegetables, hate peas and snap peas. I don't like raw ones, but these are good. So if you haven't tried them, they make all sorts of different flavors.
I found some.
Cool.
Some jerky.
This is a pork stick, maple barbecue. Very cool. That looks good. What else we got? A balance bar, peanut butter flavored, protein, vitamins, minerals, vegetarian friendly, and gluten free. Have not tried that.
I found some sauce over here.
Is that soy sauce? Oh, just date syrup. I mean, I don't know what you do with that. Would you put it... Choose a better sugar. So could you put that in like a tea or something, or would you taste too much of the dates? I'm going to look that up. I wonder if there's a card in here about it.
Those at our house.
Ooh, of course. They included a card. They're normally pretty good about this. So... tells you the stats versus maple syrup and honey. Bunch of potassium in it, magnesium, and antioxidants. So, looks like you can mix it with toast.
Can you see that even though we have them? We used to have them.
Yeah, we do have some of those. Hold on just a second. Let's see what this says. That's really cool. I'll have to try that. It says you can put it in your coffee, tea, breakfast, or dessert. Very cool.
Sounds good with it.
Yeah, I'm very interested in that. So this that Jackson spotted, we've got this in a previous box, and it was the same flavor. I don't like them, honestly. I know the Tone It Up people, they have a YouTube channel, they're really friendly. I thought this was gross, and I know protein bars aren't always the yummiest thing, but this one I couldn't finish at all. I didn't like it. I'll give it another try. Maybe I don't know. I'll try it again, but not too big of a fan of that. Yep. So we've got this before in a different flavor. We just had the vanilla before. This is a little quinoa crispy, and this is banana and cocoa, and that sounds really good. It sounds like a good flavor.
And I see a card.
Yes. Oh, cool. Little smoothie recipe to use with that packet of the PB Fit. Very cool. All right. Do you like this box?
Yeah.
I love these boxes. And he always gets really excited because he's like me. He's like, oh, food. So... definitely love these snacks. If you guys want to sign up, I'll put all their information below and a link and a playlist and all that fun stuff. So as always, thanks so much for watching.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.